Good morning. We're off to Pattaya. We're going to have a quick holiday there. I'm gonna bring my family there, so it's not their first time, but we just want to go somewhere else, and Pattaya is the closest.
Welcome to Pattaya.
And we just arrived here at Sandalay Beach Resort. We're gonna check in now. And we're here. So hungry. This is our first time to check in here. So we just checked in and we're now going to have lunch. I think we're just going to Central because the rest of the restaurants around here are quite expensive. And since we don't have any itinerary right now, I'm just gonna bring them to one of the biggest malls here. Welcome to Pattaya, Mel!
Welcome to Pattaya.
We're going to have lunch here at the food court. I'll just let them choose, see what they have. It's quite different.
Oh, that's what I silo.
Ano sa'yo, ma?
Puro baboy naman eh.
Ito?
Oo, may rice.
Masarap naman.
Spicy kasi.
Ito pangalan akin yun. Ano sa'yo, Abby?
Sweet and sour.
May rice na yan.
I don't know.
Parang wala, no? Marina. We're going to have dinner. So after going to Central Festival, I went back to the hotel hotel because I have some work to do. And then I just finished now. And we're going to have dinner because we're hungry. So me, my mom, and Will went ahead. Grace and Mel will follow. It's been a while since I've been in this mall. This is not too far from Sandalay Beach Resort. It's a nice vibe here. There's a lot of music, there's a lot of people eating out. Weather is nice, it's a little cold, so it's the perfect weather for this evening. It's our first night here. I'm gonna buy coconut milk for me and my mom. Are you gonna buy two coconut shake? They also have that live TV, but they're not showing anything. It's so nice. Okay, so we decided to eat here. I think this is a good vibe for tonight. There's our food. Mag-isda sila. Favorite niya. And pinatikim ko si Mami ng pad thai kasi hindi pa siya nakatikim ng pad thai. Anong lasa, Ma?
Ano lang? Hindi ko inaluan ng ito.
Peanuts? Ayaw mo? Yan yung masarap. And my pad see you. Forever pad see you. Yun na sila. Yun na sila. So we're done with our dinner. It was an okay food. Okay ba yung food niyo?
Yeah, it's okay.
Not outstanding, di ba? My patsi was just okay also, but it's okay. It's not bad. It's not too good.
The food was just okay. Though my food is always okay because it's like standard yung lasa nun. But my mango sticky rice was really good. I was really hoping that no one will get it.
Ala, grabe.
Because the sticky rice itself was really sweet.
Gusto ko pa naman gumanon. Talagang sinabi niya, okay lang.
Okay
Talagang
lang.
para
That's
wala.
the strategy.
Grabe.
Ayaw mo magbigay.
Grabe, kadamuta. Tinanong yung isda, maalat para walang kumain. Grabe. So after dinner, we decided to walk to the beach.
And we decided to walk like this.
Adik.
I'm so tired.
Uy, nasan si Mami?
Mami,
Sosolo, ayun. Nagpipicture-picture na siya.
picture na siya.
Saan sila, Grace?
Doon, pili pa ng mango sticky rice. Oh, here's the newly opened restaurant, Pattaya. That was the A1 hotel before, I think. Then they changed it to Malibu.
Grabe, no? Masyadong madaming tao.
Hindi, maraming tao doon banda. Wala masyado dito kasi ng tao nandun. And then it's already 8:50. Oh, it's almost 9. So they are like somewhere sa mga bars. How do
Matrix. We're here at Tops and we're just gonna buy some ice cream, craving for some sweets, and then we're just gonna buy some water. Isang malaki lang. And we're done for tonight. We're just gonna rest. So tired.
Nag-walking ako, pabalik na ako. Ang layo na ng nilakad ko. Mag-isa lang ako at sila Grace nagsuswimming at si Mel. Si Bong, my work. Si Will, tulog pa. Ito ang dagat, beach. Yan, ito ang mga upuan ng mga turista yung magsuswimming at papahangin at Papahangin dito sa tabing dagat para makalanghap ng simoy ng hangin ng dagat. Ito, ang layo na ng narating ko. Inggit kayo. Ay, hindi ako pinapawisan. Mabagal lang akong lumakad. Pero ang layo na ng nilakad ko. Malapit na ako doon sa Pattaya City. Konti na lang. Kaya lang mapapalayo na ako. Kaya pabalik na ako kasi medyo mainit-init na. Dapat kanina pala maaga kami si Grace kasi tagal gumising. Maganda yung mga 5 or 6 mag-walking at medyo hindi pa masyado mainit. Ito parang ang tawag noon? Parang boulevard nasa tabi ng dagat. Tapos ito daanan ng mga tao nag-walking, nag-jogging at nagpe-prepare yung mga tao ng food nila para mamaya sa mga turista. Kaunti pa lang naman ang nadaan ng mga sasakyan. Ay, nakakapagod. Banda roon sa unahan, medyo uupo muna ako at medyo pagod na. Pagod na ang lola. Ay, nako. Ito, ang ganda. Ang ganda parang Baby Boulevard na. Nag-i-stop ako magsalita pag may nakakasalubong ako nag-walking. May nag-aakot na ng basura. Ayun, nag-aayos ng kubol-kubol nila. At mamaya marami na. Pero ang lakas ng hangin. Kaya hindi mo mararamdaman yung init. At hindi ka rin papawisan. Ayun, yung iba, nagsasunbathing na. Ayun, no? Ayaw ko doon sa buhangin maglakad. Napupuno yung shoes ko. Maaligas-gas sa paa. Papasok sa loob ng sandals. Nangangalay na rin ang kamay ko sa paghawak. Siya muna, mamaya na lang. Bye-bye! Ito. Umupo muna ako dito. Pagod na ako. Continue ko yung pagbabloging ko. Mabuti may upuan dito parang stage show na maliit. Pinupunan ko. Wala pa gaano nagbibiyahing yung nagbabangka. Maaga pa kasi. The bird is flying. Yung mga doggy nakatulog dyan sa buhangin. Ayun, may mga nagkakarga na ng gasolina doon sa motorboat. Mga ilan-ilan lang naman yung nagbibiyahe pa. Ayun, ang ganda. Konting na lang sana, nandoon na ako, kaya lang ayaw ko na. I'm tired, already. Pahinga muna ako, saglit. Mamaya naman uli, baka malubat ako. Bye uli. Hello, dito kami sa Oxygen, part pa rin ng Thailand. So, ang ganda ng view dito. Ayun na may sunrise. Sunset na pala. Malapit nang mawala yung araw. Kami lang tatlo dito at wala pa sila Grace. Yung dagat, lamig ng simoy ng hangin. Ito yung place, Tapos ito, may mga dito magkakape, kakain ka dito. Yan, dumadami na ang tao kasi paggabi na. Ayan, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ng nila. Ayan, 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 ganda, no? Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
Good morning. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog yesterday. I don't know, for some reason, I just want to phone down, just be in the moment, and not record anything. Yeah, that was the vibe. So, I just followed my instinct. Magapa yung mata ko. We're heading back to Bangkok today. It's the end of the Pattaya trip. We're going to have a breakfast now. Not making any sense. I guess I'm still not in the mood, but I just want to make sure that I close this vlog. Anyways, okay, morning. Bye-bye. I just said goodbye to my family. They're going back to the Philippines now, and I'll see them next month. I'm going home now, but I'm gonna try to find the SRT line, the new MRT or BTS, I think. I'm gonna take a taxi. I'm gonna try it. This is very convenient. They have train system connected to Don Muang now instead of only Suvarnabhumi. And it's pretty decent. It's clean. It has an AC on the walkway, but I don't think it's up to the train station. But it's still okay. I'm not gonna complain. This is going to be very convenient for a lot of travelers because Grab now are quite expensive. So this is great, Bangkok. The air-conditioned part ends here. Ta-da! There's the highway. There's the train station. There's a slope walkway. I'll walk later, but I'm just gonna walk up. Okay, I'm gonna try it here. There's the ticket vending machine. I'm gonna check the map first. Okay, where am I? I'm here and I need to go to Bang Sue. Then from Bang Sue, I need to go here. Marina, there's the airport. I hope they're okay. I'm gonna see them next month. Hello, good afternoon. Today is Blackpink Day. We're getting closer and closer to the venue. Everyone is excited. The energy is high. Daming tao, grabe. Everything I need is on the ground. Did you enjoy, Hubbee?
Yes, of course. Blackpink!